Ooh, we've got a new guy.
Why are you here?
They're chatting. What? The place's atmosphere?
I guess.
It's a very atmospheric junk shop.
I guess that means you have a Class A digger's license then.
Well, next time you rescue the mayor and save the city from pirates,
Maybe.
you might be able to get a Class A license yourself.
Maybe.
Just try that. That's what you have to do.
That's what worked for me. I want to use my rollerboard.
Roll uses the rollerboard, Dylan. It's for roll. Get it?
Shut up.
Jesus. Is that a keyblade there?
Needed to open locked door.
To their house?
I don't know. Did she drop? Is that what she dropped? I don't remember.
I don't know. I don't know what's
Everything
going on in
happens
this
so
game.
fast. Sniper H! Kick.
What's up, Paprika?
Should I kick the can?
Get some more money.
I think if I ricochet. Oh.
Oh?
Ah.
Oh, fuck.
Too high.
God damn it. God damn it. Now you fucked yourself.
Help, I want to be able to see it. But I just can't.
Oh, so fucking close.
Now I can just do it straight.
Can ya?
Get
Get the lady in the head.
ding!
Yeah.
Nice shot. Please recycle your empty cans.
Remember last time you did it? It said too bad.
Yeah.
Oh, do you think that was a...
Oh, fuck.
What?
It looks pretty interesting.
What?
I sure hope I can spend all my money and buy all the copies.
What? It's like in The Sims when your Sims play The Sims.
Yeah, the Psalms.
That was just straight up The Sims.
Do they just play the Sims?
Yeah, sometimes if you look on their computer when they're playing the computer games,
Damn.
they're playing The Sims.
I want to fuck a TV.
You wanna fuck a TV?
No, I want a fucking TV. I want to... Give me a fuck... Oh, it's too big to... What are you talking about?
You're MegaMan. It's a refrigerator. Servbot. I can't remember what it was I was supposed to get. Miss Tron's gonna be so angry. Boo-hoo.
No. Are these guys wear the hats of the fucking...
Those little guys.
Yeah.
Will would know what they're called. I don't. Didn't he cosplay one?
Kind of. Yeah, he made a helmet.
He wore it to PAX, didn't he?
Was it PAX?
Maybe it was. I don't remember which con.
I don't think it was PAX.
Was it
Bronte vegetables.
Yukon? I don't know.
Where the hell is my dad?
You mean Gramps?
Yeah,
Dad.
my dad.
He's hooking up with the mayor, I said.
He's still hooking up with him now?
Always.
Data, help.
Where are they?
They're parked out by the shit.
Poik, 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 poik. These birds are so loud.
Louder than MegaMan's feet.
It's a rival for noisiness, for sure. There's a lot of birds, but you don't ever see them. You just hear them.
You see the little...
Butterflies?
The little white birds?
Where?
They fly away. They're just little specks on the ground and they fly away when you get close to them.
I don't remember seeing them.
There's a couple. About enhancement? Oh yeah, just upgrade.
Yeah.
Okay. The MegaMan Buster.
Never mind.
Make me a fucking...
sandwich.
Make me a rollerblades or something.
You don't have the stuff.
Make me a skateboard.
No.
What is Mega Man without a skateboard? Yeah, fuck it, I'll go to City Hall. Let's see if he's there.
Yeah. Odds are he's standing on a bookshelf in City Hall.
Odds are, for some reason.
That's where Gramps likes to hang out.
Yeah, the tipped over bookcase of City Hall.
No?
He's gone!
Where's Gramps? Why, hello there, Mega Man.
I would like to make a donation.
Thank you so much.
Where should we start?
Oh.
The police.
Alright. An additional... That's pocket change. You can just give them all it.
I could have just gone...
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mega Man. This means so much to the island. Like, in a real way, or...?
Yeah, I wonder if this is gonna actually have an effect, or if it's just, like, cosmetic. It's not actually fixed.
It doesn't look very fixed.
Well, you just paid for the fixing.
I paid the money.
Why isn't it better?
Where's my police station?
I own this police station now.
I can't even go inside my own police station.
It's a condemned building.
It's
a hazard.
Are tripping me out a little bit.
Oh god! Oh god, it's the garbage can all over again.
Oh, it's just the wall that's weird.
It's all of it.
It's really just the wall. It warps.
I mean, there's some ingenuity here, but it's a bit rough around the edges.
I mean...
Can't you just see your friends?
Yeah, that's rough. It's a shame those pirates had to come here. Life was so peaceful before they got here.
It's really a shame we got attacked by pirates. This was such a nice town.
It was such a nice town before the pirates blew everything up. No one's going to get... Yeah, you're right.
Do you want to fix something else?
Yeah.
You got all the money.
Seems like the police in City Hall is pretty important.
I don't know, people's homes are also...
That's expensive.
So these ones are, by virtue of being cheaper, more important.
Mm-hmm. What's this? Garbage?
A water cooler? A filing cabinet? Art?
A cube?
I think it's art.
Maybe some sort of...
Well, there's an undamaged one on the other side of the room.
Was there?
I think there was a matching set.
We'll never know.
I mean, not even Mega Man can jump that high. Nope. You already knew you could jump up there.
But...
Dude, you're not playing Assassin's Creed.
But maybe there's treasure up there. I should ask her about the investigation, actually. That's what
I was thinking, but... I figure you know what you're doing.
No.
Yeah, what do you... So you say the reaver bots in the Garden Forest ruins have become active?
Yes.
I wonder if the same is true for the ruins out on the lake and in the Closer Woods. I'd like you to go check those ruins out as well if you can.
Okay. I can do that.
Sure.
Lake
Fuck it. Wait, go back.
Uh-oh.
Yes! Planes!
Yes!
Yes!
Yes, planes. Where is the yes planes? Is this...
Land on the man.
Is this a direction I can go?
Go flying. No. Follow the truck.
Help me, truck.
Get a ride on the truck.
I want to go to the lake. But my car can't take me there because I've never been.
Jesus, what good are you?
I need to go south and then I need to go west. Bird.
Oh, you're right. So they're in the town, but
like
I've not
around,
seen
yeah.
them out in the woods.
No, I don't know that
where you
they
hear them.
I don't know that I have either. No.
Because that was like a pigeon.
Now that I think about it.
Like the chirpy birds, they're just all hiding in the trees, and there's so many of them, and they don't fly. They just sit in the trees and watch you. It's like the fucking birds, man. The movie, I mean.
It's like birds.
It's like the birds.
Those birds are like birds.
It's called The Birds.
The birds.
It's a...
From
Don't...
birds.
Man, I can't watch that movie.
Birds.
Because Tippi Hedren was straight up tortured
Yeah.
while making that... in service of making that movie.
Yo. It's called Beast Hunter. And it's...
Both of these names are insane! Like, I thought Balloon Fantasy would be the more crazy name, but in context, Beast Hunter's actually the crazier name!
It's called Beast Hunter on a Dangerous Games game show. But I'm just
Kicking a ball at a dog.
like, what?
Beast Hunter.